Hi friends, today we are going to see the problem of matrix operation, inverting matrices. Before going to the problem, let me see the definition of the invert matrices. Matrix inversion is the process of finding the matrix B. Here B is nothing but invert of a matrix A. So the inverse of a matrix named as a B. Then the B matrix satisfy the prior equation for the given invertible matrix of A. If we see the condition of the inverting matrix is A into B equal to B into A equal to identity matrix. What is an identity matrix? If we see the identity matrix is in the form of ones and zeros. In the diagonal we have ones and the remaining of the matrix is zeros. The size of the invert matrix is based upon the size of the matrix of A. Here A is what the input of the matrix that they given, and the B is nothing but invert of a matrix A. If we see the general example of the invert matrices is, let's take a number 5. Inverse of a 5 is 1 by 5. If we product both 5 and 1 by 5, we get the value as 1. If we see the mathematical operation of product is 5 into 1 by 5 equal to 1. As like this, we perform the matrices also. So, in this invert matrices, we use the algorithm Gauss-Jordan elimination. The Gauss-Jordan elimination algorithm is determine whether the given matrix is invertible. If the matrix is invertible, and find the inverse of the matrix. If the matrix is invertible, there is a inverse matrix. So by using this algorithm, we can find the inverse of that matrix. I consider the question, find the inverse of the following matrices. Here the matrix is size 3 by 3 and the matrix is nothing but 1, 2, 1, 3, 3, 1, 4, 3 and 1, 3, 4. Let's write the double wide matrices of using A and Y. What is the double wide matrices? The name containing two words, double and wide. Wide is nothing but this is a matrices is a stripe and this is called a wide. So we are changing the wide of the matrices. So the wide having the double means two sides. It containing two sides. One is the left side, another is the right side. So in the left side we put a matrices A, that is given matrices, and the right side we put the identity of the matrices. We convert the matrices into in this format, double wide format. So now we will perform the row operation, which are called a row transformation. So how we can perform the row transformation? Let's take this example into here. 1 3 3 1 4 3 1 3 4. So our aim is to convert these matrices into the identity matrix, that is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So in this I am doing this number 1 as a 0. So for this I used these rows only. So here I have a number 1. So second row first the second row first column 1 becomes 0. So by using the first row, so this can be indicated as minus R1 plus R2 is nothing but I take a first row values, that is minus of 1 3 3 plus 4 4 3 1 4 3. So it becomes minus 1 minus 3 with the addition of 1 4 3. So the plus 1 and minus 1 becomes 0 and the value is minus 1 plus 1 and the value becomes 0. So the output becomes, the first row is as usual 1 3 3 and the last row is also as usual 1 3 4, but the middle row becomes 0 1 0. And this is the output of this minus R plus R. So as this way. So don't change the first row and last row. we only change the second row. Whatever the second row in this operation, the row only changed. This is nothing but a transformation. The changing is nothing but transforming. So the row transformation is nothing but transforming the one row by adding or subtracting with another row in the matrix. As like I perform minus r plus r2 operation, in this the first value of the second row becomes 0, as I explained here, as I explained this here, and the matrices becomes this. Then I take these matrices and I do the operation of minus r1 plus r2, and the resulting matrices is this, and again I do the operation of minus r1 plus r2. In this case, the r3 becomes changed, and that means the third row of the matrix becomes changed. The first row and second row becomes same, and the third row becomes r3 minus r1. That means 1 minus 1 0, 3 minus 3 0, 4 minus 3 1. If we can see the 1 3 3 0 1 0 0 0 1. As like the identity matrix has also changed. The identity matrix is initially having 1 0 0 minus 1 0 1 0 0 0 1. In this also minus r1 plus r3, and the resulting matrices is 1 0 0 minus 1 1 0, and the third column becomes 0 minus 1 minus 1 0 0 0 1 minus 0 1. So again the matrices become 1 3 3 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. Here my aim is the triangle format of these three values becomes 0, and another three values here we have to transform these values into 0. Then I get the identity matrices. First I transform the value here 3 becomes 0. Here the value is 3, and there is a no 3 in this another rows. So I need to multiply second row or else third row with any of the row with the number 3. But the third row, the third column and the second column and third row not having any value. So I use it to take the second row. That's why I perform the operation like minus 3r2 plus r1. It becomes, I performing the operation on r1. So r2 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 becomes same, and the first row becomes 3 into r2, 3 into 0 0 0 plus 1 is 1, 3 into 1 is 3, 3 minus 3 plus 3 becomes 0, and 3 into 0 is 0, 0 plus 3 equal to 3, and I transform these three value into the 0. So I used the operation, I used the row of third row. So because the third row is having a value 1, but in the second row it having a value 0. So I need to become this value to 0. I use the third row. So then 1 0 3 0 1 0 0 0 1. What I do is minus 3 r3 plus r1. And the same way I performing the operations of on r1. So the second row and third row becomes same, and the first row and third row 1, 3 into 0 0 0 plus 1 is 1, 3 into 0 0 0 minus 0 is 0, 3 into 3 minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 plus 3 becomes 0, and I got the identity matrix at the left wide. As I do the same operations of sequentially with the right row, and the row become, and the inverted matrix becomes 7 minus 3 minus 3 minus 1 1 0 minus 1 0 1. If we see the inverted matrices is correct or not, so by using the check we can see the inverted matrices or not. It is a invert matrix of A or not. So let we perform the AB equal to I. That is nothing but A into A inverse equal to I. 133, this is a A, which what I given in the problem, and this is a inverse what I converted in this problem, and the both matrices do multiplication. In the multiplication, I get the value of identity matrices. Hence, the A inverse is this matrices. Thank you for watching.